Okay, let's start out with a definition of adjective. An adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun, or to put it another way, an adjective is a word used to modify a noun or pronoun. Think of adjectives as descriptive words, words used to describe. Right, some examples of adjectives in sentences. If I say the spaghetti was delicious, or the spaghetti was salty, or the spaghetti was tangy, you see I'm using words to describe the food. I might say I read an exciting book last night, or watched a scary film. I might say I know a cowardly man. Yes, the English language is rich with descriptive words, words to describe sound, touch, smell, time, amount. And as with the examples I gave, such as exciting or scary, words to describe emotions. And of course there are many ways to describe a person or personality. I may describe a person as being romantic and cheerful. I might describe another person as odd and vivacious or wild. I may describe a person I really like as being delightful or terrific. And there are many ways to describe situations, state of affairs, or a set of circumstances. I might find myself in an advantageous situation where things work out well for me. Or I might find myself in a bizarre situation where strange things are happening. One might find oneself in a tricky situation, a difficult set of circumstances perhaps. Adjectives can be used to describe the appearance of a thing, a person, place, or object. One may describe a woman as beautiful, or graceful, or elegant. One might describe a dog as cute or weird. One could describe a giant redwood tree as being magnificent. Okay, most adjectives have three different forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Example, the word great would be a positive adjective. Greater would be a comparative adjective. Greatest, superlative adjective. Or another example, smart, positive adjective. Smarter, comparative adjective. Smartest, superlative adjective. So, simply speaking, the comparative form is used to compare two things or people. I might say John is bigger than me, or Susan is older than Joanne, or David is better than George at playing tennis. I might say your car is faster than mine. I might say winter is colder than summer. Bigger, older, better, faster, colder, all comparative adjectives. Examples of superlative adjectives in sentences. Okay. My grandmother is the oldest member of our family. Her wedding day was the happiest day of her life. The superlative adjective is used to signify the greatest degree or highest degree or extreme of a quality. Okay? A gradable adjective is one which can be modified by placing an adverb such as very or quite in front of it. Most adjectives are gradable. Very beautiful, quite beautiful. Very strong, quite strong. But some adjectives are non-gradable, meaning adjectives which can't be modified by adverbs. Think of words like terrifying or gigantic or marvelous when thinking of non-gradable adjectives. You wouldn't say very terrifying or quite gigantic. Think of extremes. Yes. Okay. I'll conclude this here. I hope this was helpful, and I wish you well with your continued learning. See you later, folks.